सब्सक्राइब करो और घंटी दबाओ, नोटिफिकेशन आता।
Hello connections, welcome to day 23 and project 23. The project name is weather dashboard. Today I am thrilled to introduce an interactive weather dashboard designed to make weather tracking more engaging and user friendly with feature like city based weather search, a unit toggle for Celsius and Fahrenheit, and the ability to save your favorite locations. This project combines functionality with simplicity. It's a step towards creating responsive and real-time applications that enhance everyday convenience. Stay tuned for explaining of source code part for this project. So I am taking first doc type of HTML. It can be specifies a version of the HTML to currently we are using HTML5 version. Then after take HTML tag to language can be converted into English language. Then after take head tag can be there are lot of methods can be link up with the for this page, and meta tag can be cat set of edf8, and name can be viewport, content is with device width of initial scale is 1.0, and title can be I am taking off project name of weather dashboard. It will be showing in the browser tab, so like this. Then after taking off link tag can be relative of style sheets to hyper reference of .css extension can be I'm saving for this style.css. Then after close the head tag after take body tag, it can be visible for the users to showing the like this, and take one div class to class dashboard for the white color background of container. So then after take one head tag sorry h1 tag for the largest heading. So I am taking h1 of inside of text is weather dashboard showing like this in the browser. Then after take one input text box to type equals to text, and id equals to city input, and placeholder can be it is a disabled text of inside of text box, so enter city name, so like this way. And button tag can be to taking off on click of get weather of function name, and I am inside of the text in the button, so the text is search. So then after close the button tag, then another one button take off switch to Fahrenheit, and bottom is id of unit toggle, and on click equals to toggle units to accessing the JavaScript page to switch to Fahrenheit inside of the button text. Then after close the button tag, then take one div class of favorite cities, and strong instead of strong of below of the text button. I am writing favorite cities whenever I am clicking the search button after entering the city name, so it can be automatically showing the current weather in the I am taking half Hyderabad, so it will be showing in the current weather in Hyderabad. Next to favorite cities can be showing the after no favorite cities yet. So I am writing another span tag id equals to favorites. Then after taking off no favorite cities yet, so showing like this. So after taking up span tag, then close the div tag to take one div class of class weather, and weather info of take one paragraph to search for a city to see its weather. This text can be shown in the browser, so this way search for a city to see its weather, so showing like this. Then after take one button tag to button class equals to save button on click equals to save to favorites of the inside of the text button. Then close the div tag. The this button can be working the browser. After entering the text of the inside of the text box, after click the search button, it will be showing the current weather. Whatever I am giving the input of the text box, it can be showing the output. Whenever I am clicking the save to favorite button, it can be automatically change the favorite of inside of the span tag to automatically changing. So whatever I am giving the inside of the input box, that will be showing the Hyderabad. So then after close the div tag to, then take one JavaScript tag. So I am writing script source equals to script.js. .js can be extension of the JavaScript page. So then after close the JavaScript tag, then after close the all tags, body tag and HTML tag also. These are the HTML part of the explanation. Then come to the CSS part of the explanation. I am taking off starting body tag can be selector of direct one. So I am writing of property of font family is Arial and sans serif, and background can be I want to linear gradient to bottom and sky blue and blue color, and display can be I want to flexible display and justify content is center, and align items can I want to center also, and height can be I want to width, view height, and margin can be I didn't take any type of margin, so I am write 0. So then after take a dashboard can be I want to of background color is white color, and border radius can be I want to, so a rounded corners of border radius is 10 pixel, so showing like this, and padding is I want to 20 pixel of inside of border, inside of spaces between the text and border, and box shadow can be I am taking silver color, so I am writing red green blue alpha value, so I am taking 0.1. This is the silver color of the value for the box shadow, and width can be I am taking 300 pixel, and texture line can be I want to center. Then class of the h1 tag to largest setting of the uh, weather dashboard text. So I'm giving font size of 1.5, emphasis of font size color, font size, and text color will be black color. Then take one dashboard of input of text box. So I'm taking off width of Caligio of 100%, and for minus 40 pixel, and I am taking 10 pixel of padding, and margin bottom can be I am taking 10 pixel, border is 1 pixel solid silver color, and the border radius is 5 pixel, and dashboard of button is uh, padding is 10 pixel, and left and 20 pixel can be right. So margin bottom is 10 pixel, and border is I didn't take any type of border for this one, and background color is I am taking blue color, and color is a white color of the text inside of the button tag, and after take off border radius is 5 pixel, and cursor pointer whenever I am clicking the submit or search button, it can be automatically change the cursor of the pointer, and the dashboard is button of the hover of the light blue color of the border background color whenever I am come to the clicking the buttons, so it can be automatically change the light blue color of the button color. And favorite cities, so favorite cities of the span tag can be I am taking off margin is 110 pixel of the left side, so right side I didn't take any type of, so I am writing 0. Then after weather info can be so showing like this. Then after I am taking off margin top is 20 pixel, and padding is 10 pixel. Then border can be I am taking a silver of 1 pixel solid, and border radius can be I want to rounded corners of the border, so I am taking 5 pixel. Border background color can be I am taking off background color is light white, and weather info of the image, so image of whenever the whatever weather is there, it can be automatically color that image will be showing this display, and weather info can be image of width is 50 pixel, and height can be 50 pixel, and I am taking off save button of the save to favorites button. So margin top can be, I am taking 10 pixel. These are the CSS part of the explanation. The final part one explanation is JavaScript part. So I am taking off let data type to. So I am taking two variables. So is Celsius equals to true. Next after favorites. Two, I am taking one list of array. So I'm taking one list and I'm taking off one function to get whether of the function name. I'm already taking off inside of the HTML page get whether of the inside HTML page. So showing inside of the button. Then after inside of the I'm taking one data type to city of enter the search city of document dot get element by id to city input. I'm already taking in the inside of the HTML page. So city input that can be accessing. So I'm writing city input to value of trim to I'm taking one condition if not city alert please enter a city. Whenever I didn't any type of giving a input, it can be automatically alert message can be please enter a city. So just click OK. Then after return and static weather data for demonstration purpose of I'm taking one data type to weather data. Whenever I'm entering the data, it can be I'm giving a temperature of a Celsius is 22 and 72 of the example temperature, and humidity can be I want to I'm giving sample of example humidity is 60%, and wind speed can be I am taking of the Celsius is example values 15 kilometers per hour and 9 9 mph and example wind speed, and I am taking off condition is a clear sky of the example weather condition, and I can be I am taking off instead of accessing through the web page images, so icons. So I am taking a open weather map through the accessing the images, so example weather icon. So then after display weather to calling that the method, and display weather can be I want to city and weather data. Then after displaying the data of the inside of the container, so then whenever I am clicking the search button, it can be automatically showing this like this way. So I am writing function display of the city data. So this can be I am writing I am taking one data type to weather info of document dot get element by day through the access the ID of weather info to I am writing already inside of the div tag to weather info of class of weather info, and weather info dot inner HTML can be I'm writing this type of methods. So h3 tag of a current weather in that city name, so showing like this, and temperature can be of data dot temperature of e Celsius of question mark to Celsius and Fahrenheit for this one like this way temperature 22 degrees currently. So then after humidity can be data dot humidity value can be showing like this, humidity is 60%, and wind speed is data wind speed. So data wind speed can be 15 kilometers per hour, and condition can be is data dot condition is clear sky. Then images shows can be data dot icon can be accessing the data condition the shows like this of showing in the browser. Then after close the condition for that one inner HTML. Then after take one function to toggle units of inside of the accessing the toggle units name. So I'm taking e Celsius is not a Celsius. So just document dot get element divided to accessing the ID of unit toggle. Then of text content can be e Celsius switch to Fahrenheit and switch to Celsius. Whenever I am clicking the switch to Fahrenheit, that can be automatically change the switch to Celsius. This type of features is there for this project, and function save to favorites of the constant of data type is city, and document.get element by id of city input and value can be trimmed, and if not a city of is or and favorite dot includes of city, and that can be alert messages city is already in favorites or invalid. So I am taking, whenever I am clicking the already I have favorite cities is Hyderabad. I am once again I am clicking the save to button, it can be automatically throw the error city is already in favorites or invalid. So just click OK. These are the this condition for this one. Then after take write the return, then close the condition, then after take one favorite push of city of document dot get element by id of accessing the favorites through the html page to text content can be favorites of join of the inside of the favorite cities of the text. So then after close the favorite of push function. These are the JavaScript part of the explanation. Thanks for the watching this video. Please connect to my account or whatever I am uploading a project videos, so automatically receive the notification through in your phone. Thank you. Happy coding.